Have you come across this sort of thing happening? Hvernig hefur þú það? Hvernig hefurðu það? I got this question from one of my students, so I wanted to dive in and explain this a little bit. Hvernig hefur þú það? Hvernig hefurðu það? Both are actually correct. So what we will cover, what hefurðu is made of, other common examples of this sort of thing, when do the words stay separate, and a note on commands, what the words mean. Hefur, have, the þú form of hafa. Þú is you. Hefur þú, hefurðu. Both mean have you, and hefurðu is what's happening when people are speaking at their normal sort of speed. Stuff starts to run together. So this is the greeting, hvernig hefurðu það? Hvernig hefurðu það? Word for word, that's how have you it? But the meaning, how are you? Or how are you doing? How are you or how are you doing? Hvernig hefurðu það? So when the words are sort of combining like this, the verb and the pronoun, the ending is going to look something like this. But let me show you what I mean. Hefur þú, hefurðu, have you. Veist þú, veistu, veistu, do you know. Ætlar þú, ætlarðu, ætlarðu, are you going to. Segir þú, segirðu, do you say. Vilt þú, viltu, do you want. So when you have these two words but separate, it's going to be for emphasis, emphasizing the word þú, possibly in formal or official writing, or when you want to speak slowly and clearly, or somebody is simply speaking slowly and clearly. Hvernig hefur þú það? And there's not really any one way of doing it exactly if you're just starting out. If you want to sound more natural and Icelandic, you can say hvernig hefurðu það? But if you're finding it too challenging to wrap your mind around how everything fits together, how everything sounds, you can enunciate every single word to drill it into your brain more specifically. So emphasis, an emphasis example would be like this, and let me show you the difference here. So, hefurðu prófað þetta? Hefurðu prófað þetta? Have you tried this? And then the second version, we're putting more emphasis on the þú, the you. Hefur þú prófað þetta? Hefur þú prófað þetta? Have you tried this? So the weight there in the sentence is on you, þú. And here are some examples of commands. So you are commanding somebody to do something. You want the them to do something. So you say komdu. And you notice how the ending here is the du is specific to them, þú. Þú, komdu. Come. Or sjáðu, sjá þú, sjáðu. Again, the words kind of running together. See, sjáðu. Now to recap, hefurðu and hefur þú mean the same thing. The joined form of the two is what you will usually hear and what you might more naturally say, hefurðu. And then you can separate them to emphasize the þú, or if you're going about some more formal writing of some sort. Hefur þú. Hefur þú lesið þennan tölvupóst? Have you read this email? And now I want to throw it over to you. Have you noticed this sort of phenomenon happening in Icelandic? And which ones have you come across? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Takk fyrir og bless bless.